Hey everybody, today we're going camping at Lake Cooper.
And we're gonna do some hiking, fishing, and canoeing. See you there!
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road.
Hey, we just made a stop at Buc-ee's. What did you guys get?
Jolly sucker.
These on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground.
We're a good way
And they told us there's an eagle here.
Yeah.
Where did we come in?
So we finally got the campsite set up. We got our fishing poles and all of that. We got all the bikes unloaded. All right, so we're gonna be showing you guys the Lake Cooper. Here it is.
I'm deciding we should go in this hole right here. Try going down.
Joe, do you think she could do it?
Yeah.
All right.
Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside.
Oh, I'm down here. All right, let's go see this part of the area. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I see that. Why is there string? I don't like that.
Hey.
What are you laughing about?
Why can't say nothing?
Seeing the scene? I've been running for about a minute. And a beaver just chopped that.
Beaver.
Beaver.
Beaver break.
Beaver break. All right, break.
Here they come. At shore. All the cousins are waiting. Okay, now you can take a picture, Esther. No, How was your adventure? How was your adventure? Axel, we don't need anybody to pull us in. Where did he paddle start? Here we go.
Next,
So what'd y'all see?
the greatest eagles. The next were
Y'all
this
saw
big.
an eagle?
No.
Yeah. How big?
No, we didn't see an eagle. We call it the eagle, but
Because it was the most glorious eagle.
So we are out on the lake.
Right there!
There's Johnny. There is Ozzy, and we are gonna have
How about we go to your
a good time. What are we gonna do, guys?
We're going to the playground.
So, guys, there's some deer right there. There's one right there, one right there, and one right there.
And then Junior.
We are coming up to the park. This is gonna be a great time. So right here, we are putting it in this hole, and it comes out right here. And it just dumps, and it took us forever to make that. Okay, spin around on this guy. Axel fell off. Okay, guys, what are we doing? Going to explore trails. Holy, look at these prints, guys. Look at this. Take a picture.
Oh, do they? The tracks don't go this way.
You tell me where they go, Oz.
They go that way.
Yummy, yummy.
They go this way. Come on.
That way? So look at the size of this ball.
Oh, look!
Holy, guys, look at this. Look at what Ozzy just found. Okay, so we're going to get firewood to make a fire. Fire! Fire! Oh, I see something. I see fire.
No.
So we got the fire going.
Hey, you guys want to go? What you up to, dude? Cooking. What are you cooking? Onions and onions? These are called peppers. Get the butter.
So I just put a.
Throw it in there, brother.
Okay, just eat it.
There you go. Mix it up. Job,
So we finished cooking the onions right here. It smells delicious. And then now
I told Novak
we're
he could cook the
doing
meal. He was the first one up here to
chicken.
volunteer.
That's right here.
Jason, just keep a little bit off the lip like that.
So we are fishing. I do not know if you can see that. There's my stick. We're just letting it sit, seeing if we can get bites. Here is Novak's. Right here, pretty solid setup. We're fishing for catfish, and then hopefully we can get some fish. So we finished fishing. My cousin caught one fish. Me and my sister Avery are sleeping in hammocks, and Novak's sleeping on the couch. We had a great time, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey, what you cooking? Breakfast. Nice. Breakfast burritos. Smells like Whataburger.
Let's go fishing. Oh, look what you got, Axel! You know what is weird about this? If I do this and pull, guys, Axel just caught a red snapper. Hashtag a rock. So Samson just caught a 3-pound catfish, I think. Who knows? Where is it? Down over there.
Put this on,
There's
go
a
sit
bucket.
down.
Pretty big catfish. Here's my hand. Pretty big.
Let's put him back
And
in.
we're gonna be eating that. He's tangling himself.
Oh, I punched body. He swam over.
Good job, Samson.
That is a ball.
So what are we doing, my
It will
dudes?
take forever to read on.
We are still fishing? Yeah. I'm just like, yeah. So we're eating food.
Novak.
No fish
Novak,
yet.
it's a big catfish.
Josh, he's trying so hard.
Oh, we
You
did
almost
catch a big
got it.
catfish.
Okay, guys, so I have no idea what time it is. It's probably 7 or 8, I have to guess. I've been fishing out in this dark lake. I caught 2 fish in 30 minutes, which is luck. This is the last night. Tomorrow morning we're gonna leave. Hopefully Novak can catch some fish.
Yes.
So guys, just caught a tiny catfish. So guys, I finally caught that fish. That was my 3rd fish. I am in the lead. My cousin Samson has 2. Novak and Ozzy have 1. Hopefully I can catch another fish. I have no idea. I am really excited if I can catch another fish. That would be really fun. So guys, it's apparently 9:03. I just checked the time. My dad said I have to go up. Hopefully I can catch one. Looking forward to do today, Avery.
Probably drinking hot chocolate and let's see, fishing.
Probably me fishing, Novak. Fishing, playing with cousins, making a fire, going on the canoe, go to the dock, and drinking hot chocolate. I'm gonna be climbing this. I don't think I can do it. So guys, you know what gets me? Hold on, Joe. You stay. Go back there. I gotta Stick this one in my nostril. Hello, Hannah. Yeah, so we finished packing. My dad's going to get a cup of coffee. We got all the bikes fit. We need to load up the back a little more so the tailgate can shut. And hopefully we have a safe ride. I'm not even done. Yeah, we are now leaving. What do you think? I think so sad. So very much is. So guys, we just got back home. Sweet home.
Maybe you don't wanna know.